Dude, my favorite part about unboxing videos is when, like, you literally miss everything because your phone, like, you press the stop recording button and then it, like, deletes all your stuff. Isn't that awesome? So basically, I recorded this video and I freaking just canceled it with my fat fingers. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, I'm not gonna do it again because I'm freaking lazy. I was talking about my freaking fat knuckles when I was, and it freaking, Jacob says freaking 10 times in one sentence, part 5. Okay, anyways, so basically I recorded it and then it got deleted because my like knuckles smacked the back button on my phone. Now if I had an Apple phone, then this wouldn't have happened. Not sponsored. I totally wish I was, because then I'd get money. So anyways, basically the story is I saved up money and I bought a ps4, and I'm not going to play any of the games because they all have guns. So this is going to be a pretty horrible video because of all the data that got released. It was originally like going to be 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes in total after I get everything. As you can see, like, I had a bunch of horrible camera angles. I talked about how I like the white box better than blue box because it looks like more clean and mysterious. I like, yeah, that's pretty much all I did. Wow, HDMI cable. I mean, my dad interrupted my video. He didn't know I was recording all kinds of stuff, you know, the usual. And I'm talking like you could see my face, but you can't because I have it on the wrong way. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And yeah, I'm sorry that you didn't get to see the original video, but I mean, PS4 Pro, PS4 Pro, PS4 Pro, bye, haha, FaceTime.